Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 4. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 4. Let's see what will be our today's topic. It is questions number 10, exercise number 1 and 2 practice. I am telling again, our today's selected topic is question number 10, exercise number 1 and 2. Dear students, this is our lecture number 13 and homework number 13 also on our annual term 2021 syllabus. So, dear students, I have taken these two exercises from our advanced book. I have given you the page number so that you can understand them properly. So, let's start with the first one. What is it? Question number 10, exercise number 1, page number 159. If you go through your book or open your book, page number 159, you will get this question number 10. Okay, look at first the instructions, then the questions, finally the answer. Okay, instruction. Read the instructions about keeping your room clean and then answer the following questions. Keep your books in a bookshelf. Keep your books on the reading table when you need them. Keep a waste basket in your room. Put any waste materials in the basket. Sweep your room regularly. So, dear student, okay, these are the 5 instructions. On the basis of these 5 instructions, 3 questions will be given. Okay, these 3 questions are categorized like this: knowledge based, understanding based, and application based. Look at the first one, it is knowledge based. When do you sweep your room? Understanding based, when should you keep your room clean? Application based, it is how do you keep your room clean? Look at the answer, knowledge based. When do you sweep your room? Answer is in the afternoon. You can give your suitable time in the afternoon or in the morning. Okay, now understanding based question. Why should you keep your room clean? Answer, to keep in good health or to keep my mind fresh, I should keep my room clean. Last one is application based. This one is little bit bigger than the previous two. How do you keep your room clean? Answer, I keep my books in a shelf. I never keep all the books on the reading table. I keep a waste basket in one corner of my room. I throw waste materials into the waste basket. I also sweep my room regularly. These are the answer of exercise number 1 from page number 159, and this will be your homework also, and you will submit this homework, okay, after the puja vacation. Now we will learn question number, same question number 10, exercise number 2. It is page number 169. Read the instructions about rising early in the morning and then answer the following questions. So look, 5 instruction, it is go to bed early, set an alarm, use dim light when you sleep, tell your parents to call you early in the morning, practice it for some days. Okay, some days it will be days. Okay, knowledge based, understanding based, application based, you have already familiar with this. Okay, now 1, when do you get up from bed? Why should you use dim light when you sleep? How do you get up early in the morning? Answer, early in the morning. When do you get up from bed? Early in the morning. Next, why should you use dim light when you sleep? To have a sound sleep or to have a deep sleep. You can write any one. Last, application based question answer. I go to bed early. I have an alarm clock. I always use it. I set the time. It makes sound and I get up. Thus I get up early in the morning. Dear students, I am telling you again about our homework segment, and this is our homework number 13, and your homework is exercise number 1, page number 159. This one. Dear students, you will submit this homework after our puja vacation. It is 23 October. I hope that this exercise number 1 and 2 will help you very much to understand question number 1 and 2. Question number 10 from your advanced learner book. Please keep practicing at home and do your homework properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.